Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to cut audio in Audacity. First, open Audacity and load the audio file you want to work with. You'll see the audio track displayed as a waveform. Now, let's say you want to cut out unwanted silence at the beginning and end of the track. To do this, we'll be using the selection tool. Click on the selection tool in the toolbar at the top. Once selected, click and drag over the part of the audio you want to cut out. For example, if there's silence at the start, click at the beginning, hold, and drag your mouse to the right until you've selected the silent portion. After you've highlighted the area you want to cut, look for the scissors icon at the top, which represents the cut tool. You can either click the scissors icon or press Ctrl+X on your keyboard to cut the selected section. Now, the silence at the beginning is removed. Next, let's move to the end of the track to cut out any unnecessary silence there. Again, use the selection tool, click and drag over the silent part at the end. Once selected, click the scissors icon or press Ctrl+X to cut that section out. Now your audio is trimmed and all the unwanted parts are gone. You can play it back to check your edit by pressing the play button. That's how you cut audio in Audacity. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.